Okay folks, I'm going to do this quick little tutorial on this file that I just posted. This is a full wrap for a Venti 24-ounce reusable cold cup. And I'm going to show you how to use it because there's several different ways that you can use this file. So when you download and unzip the folder, locate the SVG, and you're going to come into Design Space and you're going to create a new project. And then you're going to go to Upload, find the SVG, and upload that. Once you've got it here, select it. And you're going to insert images. And what I want to show you, excuse me, all these little lines that are running across here, you do not want to cut that. Those are simply guidelines. Let's say you did not want to do a full wrap. Maybe you want to put a bunch of little snowflakes or little hearts or something on your cup, but not the entire wrap. This is just some guidelines to go by. And let me do this. I'll just get a free heart from Design Space. And you would be able to line these up so that they fit and they stand nice on the cup. Well, and then whatever you get everything all filled up the way that you want it, you would literally turn off these guidelines, you would turn off the full wrap and the center cut. You would have your design there in the right shapes. So let's turn these back on. And I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these hearts. But that's one way you can use the file. Alright, so if we're not going to use the guidelines, we're going to turn those off. So turn that off. And now what you have is the wrap with the center hole in it. And you can cut this out in two pieces. Let's say you did a pattern vinyl for the whole wrap. And maybe the center you did a little picture of some sort that coordinates with the rest of your wrap, something like that. Or you could put an initial or however you want to do it. That centerpiece covers up that logo. But let's say you don't want to cut the centerpiece to cover up the logo. We're going to just turn that off. And now you would have this piece which would let the logo show through with whatever pattern vinyl you want to use to wrap the rest of the cup in. If you would like to not have a hole there at all, we're going to turn it back on. And we're going to select those two layers. And I'm going to come down here to Weld. And now you have a completely solid vinyl wrap that could be done in printed vinyl or however you want to do it. You just simply send it to your cutter, cut it, and in the next video I'm going to show you how to put these on so you don't do like I did and waste an hour fighting with it. But I'll show you that in the next video. See you in a few. Everybody, this is the second part to that tutorial that I promised you on how to put these wraps on these Venti cups. First, let me show you a couple that I did. This one is just pattern vinyl, cricket pattern vinyl I picked up at Joann's. This is a reusable removable vinyl. And so that's why I used that, because I was kind of playing around trying to make sure everything fits right. But you can see, if I set that upside down, hopefully you can see that, where it fits pretty good down in the, even in the lip of this cup if you get it on there properly, and it fits right around here. The logo not cut out, just a solid wrap. And you can kind of see through that. So, but like I said, I just picked up whatever pattern vinyl they had just to play around with this a little bit. But, and I suppose too, if you had your drink in there, that probably would block some of that logo showing through if you don't want the logo. There's that one. This is another one I did. Again, it was the pattern removable vinyl. And I thought I really liked this one, so I wanted to keep this one for myself. So I thought I was smart, and I went and I put clear outdoor vinyl over the top of it. And I ended up with a zillion tiny bubbles. And I tried the hair dryer, I tried the pen, I tried everything, and I can't get them out. So that's probably not a really good idea. And those were not there when I had it flat. That's when I put the clear on. So I'm thinking when I curved it, that did that. I'm not sure. But again, this is removable vinyl underneath there. So if you're using regular permanent vinyl, I probably wouldn't even have tried to put that on there. So just some thoughts. All right, so once you have your wrap cut out, you need to put a line on these cups. And I don't know, I'm hoping you can see this. There's a D right here on this word. Right through the middle of that D. And then down here at the bottom, you want to go on the outside of this little box. And you can either put tape on there and draw a line, or I'm going to try it just leaving the tape on there for right now. I haven't tried it that way, but we're going to find out. So, and then I take something, a towel, a rag, whatever. I'm going to try to do this under the camera. I may have to pick it up to do it because I'm not able to look down over the top of it, I don't think. But this is my, again, reusable vinyl. You don't have to do reusable vinyl. And I'm going to try to lay that right up against that tape. Because if you get this part right, the rest of it's a breeze. And I can already see I didn't. I'm a little bit off. And you got to be more worried about the bottom of the cup, because the top is not going to show. But if you get this on there correctly to begin with, they go on really easy. Because they will just follow the cup. I gotta get my tape out of there. And I was still a hair off down there, but I could live with that. There is your 24-ounce Venti cup with a full wrap on there. And like I say, you can, if you don't want the logo showing through, you can always do the circle and with something else with the initial on it. Like I did here. Whoops. I did that one with silver glitter cut out of the black circle. That would even have looked nice with that vinyl. But yeah, there's your wrap. Thanks for watching.